wonder how you can trigger this workflow right here, which basically what it does is it sends a message to a Slack channel notifying, hey, this workflow has crashed, please check on it. I would have to come here to the workflow that I wanted to trigger. And if you go to their settings, you're going to see that you have an option for an error workflow, and it says to notify it when this one errors, and you're going to be able to choose a workflow. So if I click the drop down here, I'm going to be able to see all of my workflows, but not all of these have a error trigger, which means they wouldn't work. So I would have to look for the exact workflow that I'm trying to trigger, which is called error workflow. And I hit save. So I want to show you guys what I mean by this. I'm going to run an execution and purposely have this workflow crash and give me an error, and then show on the other workflow that we got an execution from that trigger. So over here, I'm actually going to disconnect this just so that we only trigger this node. And the way to test this is we need to have the scenario active or in production. This is only going to work if your workflow is in production. And the way I'm going to test it is I'm just going to send a simple webhook to this workflow that will trigger an error through an HTTP request by making a call to a website that doesn't exist.